Hello dear students, I Harsh Rathore, Assistant Professor, Sage University Bhopal. Today I am going to discuss with you on course Environment Studies and Disaster Management on topic Bio-Geo-Chemical Cycle and Water Cycle. So let's start with Bio-Geochemical Cycle. The cyclic exchange of nutrients material between living organism and their non-living environment is called biogeochemical cycle. The producers of an ecosystem take up several basic inorganic nutrients from their non-living environment, and then these nutrients get transformed into biomass of the producers, and then they are utilized by consumer populations, ultimately return to the environment with the help of reducers and decomposers. So biogeochemical cycle indicate exchange of nutrients material between living organism and their non-living environment. Biogeochemical cycles help us to understand the flow pattern of various nutrients like water, gases, etc. And all these nutrients are helpful for the development of life. Some of the biogeochemical cycles are hydrological cycle, oxygen cycle, nitrogen cycle, sulfur cycle, carbon dioxide cycles. In hydrological cycles, interchange of water between living organisms and environments are there. Gaseous cycles deal with the interchange of gases like oxygens, nitrogens, carbon dioxide. The sedimentary cycle deal with the interchange of minerals like sulfur and phosphorus. So let's start with water cycle. Water never leaves the earth. It is constantly being cycled through the atmosphere, oceans and land. This process known as water cycle and is driven by energy from the sun. The water cycle is crucial to the existence of life on our planet, and water is very vital minerals. First steps involved in water cycle is evaporations. In evaporations, sun heat up the liquid water and change it into gaseous form, which we call vapor. In second step, there is condensations, the process by which water rises into the atmosphere, cool and become a liquid again. Third steps involved in water cycle is precipitations, the process by which water condense and fall back into the earth. Fourth step is transpirations. The process of evaporations from plants is called transpirations, and a few of the factors that affects transpirations are sunlight intensity, relative humidity, soil moisture availability, wind movements, types, and so on. Runoff water that collects in river, streams, and oceans. This is pictorial descriptions of cycles. Here we see all the steps involved in water cycles like evaporations, transpirations, condensations, precipitations, runoff. This is another pictorial descriptions of water cycles. All the steps involved here. So thank you students. I hope you like this video. We'll meet you soon with the next topic.